You don't know me, but my name's Cy. I'm just the O'Hare delivery guy. But it seems like trees might be worth a try. So I say, let it
Are you going to finish that croissant?
grow.
My name is Dan,
And my name's Rose.
our son Wesley kinda glows, and that's not good, so we suppose we should let it
Are you going to finish that croissant?
grow.
Let it
Croissant,
grow,
croissant.
grow. You can't reap what you don't sow. Plant a seed inside the earth. Just one way to know its worth. Let's celebrate the world's rebirth. We say let
Are you going to finish that croissant?
grow.
My name's Marie, and I am 3. I would really like to see a tree. La 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 lee. I said let it.
Are you going to finish that croissant?
I'm Grammy Norma, I'm old and I've got gray hair. But I remember when trees were everywhere and no one had to pay for air. So I say, let it
Are you going to finish that croissant? Croissant, croissant.
Like it did so long ago. It's just one tiny seed, but it's all we really need. It's time to change the life we lead. Time to let it.
Are you going to finish that croissant?
My name's O'Hare, I'm one of you. I live here in Thneedville too. The things you say just might be true. It could be time to start anew and maybe change my point of view. Nah, I say let it die, let it shrivel up and come on, who's with me, huh?
Nobody.
You greedy dirtbag!
Croissant, croissant. Are you going to finish that croissant? Croissant, croissant.
It's just one tiny seed, but it's all we really need. It's time to vanish all your feet. Imagine we could climb a tree. Let this be our song.
Croissant.
Thank you, Dad.
Croissant.